For this project you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester. The picot elastic, the threads, the scissors, the lighter, the needles to pin the fabric, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. If you have yours, you can use yours, but for those of you who doesn't, I'll attach the link with it in the description box below. Fold your fabric in half. On top of the fold, place the pattern. Outline everything with the piece of chalk and after cut it off. You will need 2 front elements, 1 back element, and 1 collar element. On top of the front element, place the back element, face to each other. Then grab the second layer of the front element and with the face down, place it on top. Pin it with the needles. Next, grab the collar element and fold the fabric face to each other. Then pin it with the needles. After, go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here, here, and here. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Turn the top on the right side of the fabric. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. Next, grab the collar and turn the seams in opposite directions. Then fold the fabric exactly the same way like you see me doing here and pin it with the needles. Fold the collar this way and put the mark on the opposite side. After, align the mark and the seam together and put the marks on the sides. Now grab the top and find the middle of the back element and of the front element. For this, you need to align the shoulder seams together and put the marks here and here. Turn the top on the wrong side of the fabric. After, grab the collar and align the marks of the collar and the top together. Pin everything together with the needles. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. Grab the picot elastic and sew it on here and here. Place the elastic on top of the fabric face to each other. Elastic also has a right side and the wrong one. Basically, you need to place a right side to the right side. After, sew it here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric. You stretch a little bit only the elastic. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. If you see some fabric is coming out, then grab the scissors and trim this place. Fold the elastic this way and sew here. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. This is what I have so far, and if you were using the same transparent fabric as me and you don't want to see this seam, then I'll show you how simply to hide it inside. For this, I reverse the top on the opposite side, and fold this seam toward the collar. Then grab the needle and the thread and sew it with the few stitches exactly the same way like you see me doing here.